and I have a really cool DIY that I want to share with you, an upcycling great idea. I just went through taking apart the gas dryer because my family goes through a dryer in less than a year, and I buy used ones, but we destroyed yet another dryer, and I have been looking all morning for a planting container for a tree that I have, and I don't want to put it right in the ground. I wanted to put it in a large container, but I couldn't find a planting container. So let me show you what I came up with. Okay, so here it is. This is the tub from inside of the dryer. Now, it has this thing on the back, which is part of the motor, and I can't cut it off. It's very hard metal, so it doesn't sit flat, but out in the garden on rocks or bricks, it'll be fine. And look what a nice big size it is. It's already got holes in it, so it's perfect for drainage. And I'm going to show you what it looks like, and I'm going to balance it on some rocks. Let's put some plants in there. And again, I'm just showing you what it will look like. And this is my kumquat that I wanted to plant. So when it's nice and filled, look how pretty it will look. It's a very nice large size container. And then look what else I scavenged from the dryer. A new whiteboard. And what that is it's the door from the dryer. It's just thin metal and nice and shiny, and you can write on it with a whiteboard pen, and you can also use magnets on it. It's got an inside panel, very easy to remove that with the screws. The drum is also not that hard to remove once you take the whole dryer apart, because the drum itself is really only held by a band that runs around the middle of it and lets the motor turn the drum. So anyway, I'm really excited with how this turned out. Let me know what you think of my DIY dryer planting box.